The hand of the Lord was upon me, and set me down in the midst of the valley which was full of bones. Son of man, can these bones live? Behold, they are very dry. But as I prophesied, there was a noise, and behold, a shaking, and the bones came together, bone to his bone. The silence of death is broken by the rattling of the word. Prophesy unto the wind, thus saith the Lord God. Come from the four winds, O breath, and breathe upon these slain, that they may live. And the breath came into them, and they lived, and stood up upon their feet, an exceeding great army. For the Lord has opened your graves, and shall put his spirit in you, and ye shall live. Take 2 sticks, Judah and Joseph. In the prophet's hand they fuse into one. No more division, no more idols. Under one shepherd the scattered are gathered into the palm of his hand. Gog of Magog rises like a storm cloud against the mountains, but the earth shakes at his jealousy. In the fire of his wrath, the rebellion of the nations meets its limit. 7 years of burning the weapons of war. The bows are broken. The battlefield is fuel for the fire. The king has conquered, and the heathen shall know that I am the Lord. A man like brass, holding a measuring reed. Every gate and chamber is measured to the heavenly blueprint. This is the architecture of holiness. Heaven is descending to the dust of the earth. Look to the east. The glory returns like the noise of many waters. The earth shines with his majesty. The glory that left in tears returns in triumph. The land radiates with his light, and the name of the city from that day on shall be. The decree is written over the gates forever. The Lord is there.